Do you want to add message to reveal in the Instagram story? You can create hidden Instagram stories with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to add message to reveal an Instagram story. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Adding a message to reveal to view your Instagram story can make it more interactive and engaging. To view your main story, your followers or viewers need to send you a message from your story. To add a message to reveal feature in your Instagram story. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're in the Instagram app, tap on the plus icon at the top left corner of the screen to start creating a new story with the message to reveal feature. Select a photo or video from your camera roll that you want to use for your story. After selecting your photo or video, tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. In the sticker options, look for the reveal sticker and tap on it to add it to your story. Once the reveal sticker is added, you'll see a text box where you can add your message. Type the message that your followers see before they view your main story. You can customize your story by adding text, stickers, and music. Before publishing, tap on preview at the bottom of the screen to view how your story will look with the hidden feature. Once you're satisfied with your story, share it with your followers. Your followers will need to send you a message from the story to reveal the hidden story. By following these simple steps, you can create an Instagram story with a message to reveal feature.